This family of heavy-duty cast iron bench vises from Klutch is engineered for larger projects, service, or maintenance applications. Each jaw measures 5 inches deep in capacities of 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9 inches wide. Each vise is made of high-quality HT200 cast iron with a pre-coated sand casting process for durability. All feature hardened serrated replaceable steel jaws, pipe jaws, and a large anvil. Plus, the extra strong machined spindle and handle allow bigger loading capacity. These vises attach to your work surface with 4 heavy reinforced lugs and rotate on a 270-degree swivel interlocking base for versatility. Tackle your larger projects, service, or maintenance applications with this family of heavy-duty cast iron bench vises from Klutch.